Hi students, welcome to PIB analysis of Vijayata IAS Academy. In PIB, there is a reference to PM MITRA Park scheme. When there was a meeting between India and France, they have talked about PM MITRA initiative. It is a scheme related to textile industry. This scheme is to create good infrastructure in textile industry and also to develop this industry to produce world-class textile products. The ultimate purpose is to create a lot of infrastructure and thereby to create strong textile industry, and indirectly it is to generate a lot of employment and growth to a particular region. In our syllabus, if we take our GS3 paper, this particular scheme can be linked to various syllabus items. Investment models, in this particular syllabus item also you can link this scheme. Like this investment, this is an investment scheme. It is going to invest more than 4,000 plus crores of rupees for textile industry development. And also in case of brownfield, around 200 crores will be given. In case of greenfield project, around 500 crores will be allocated. So it is like investment model. You can link to this. And another item, Indian economy relating to mobilization of resources, growth, development and employment. It is expected that each park directly creates 1 lakh employment opportunities. Indirectly, it will create 2 lakh employment opportunities. You can link this particular issue to this syllabus item as well. And also inclusive growth and issues arising from it. If these particular parks are developed in a particular location, and the surrounding areas also will get a lot of boost for development. These are the various syllabus items you can link to this particular scheme. Let us understand what are the various dimensions of this particular scheme. Here we have to understand what is MITRA means. PM means Prime Minister, MITRA means there is a full form for this MITRA in case of textiles. Here these are the various things or various dimensions that you can think of about this particular scheme. Let us understand what is PM MITRA Park scheme. MITRA stands for Mega Integrated Textile Region and Apparel Parks. This is the full form for MITRA. The scheme is to develop large scale and modern industrial infrastructure facility. This is the keyword that you have to identify. It is related to textile industry and to create large scale industrial infrastructure. And also there are other phrases and other aspects which you need to remember for this scheme is it is to integrate complete entire value chain like spinning, weaving, dyeing, printing, garment manufacturing at one location. Let us understand this through our present state of textile industry. For example, at moment some states are good in producing cotton production. For example, if we take Maharashtra and Gujarat area, these two areas are very good areas for cotton production. Once cotton is produced, now it may go to different locations. For example, it may go to Bombay for processing, and it may go to some other area in industrial park near Noida, or it may go to industrial park like Bangalore or Chennai. Now, one raw material is moving from one state to the other state. That is related to farming particular raw material, then processing, then dyeing also, then finally to export a particular product. Again, it should go to port centers and from there it will be exported. Suppose if we take Maharashtra region as a cotton belt and from there cotton moves from one place to the other place, and to export again it should come back to Bombay to export to the western countries. Likewise, one particular place or in one particular place we cannot do all the ratios, all the production development in single place. As a result, it increases a lot of transportation charges. It will increase the cost of the production. In order to solve this particular problem, this mega PM MITRA scheme is envisaged. Now it is talking about 5 farms. Our Honorable Prime Minister, he had a vision to create 5 F's in textile industry. He is saying that farm, fiber, factory, fashion and foreign. So in order to realize this particular dream, this mega PM MITRA Park is created, and here the main ultimate aim is to do all these activities for final product like spinning, weaving, dyeing, printing and garment manufacturing at one location, so that transportation charges can be reduced, it become competitive in the world market, and also it will create indirectly lot of employment opportunities directly and indirectly as well, and it will create additional opportunities like foreign direct investment and other investment opportunities once a particular region develops. Here PM parks are envisaged to help India in achieving United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 9 as well. Another dimension to it, once if this particular infrastructure develops, here we reduce a lot of transportation also, and other aspects which are harmful for environment also can be minimized by introducing modern technologies in case of textile production and dyeing practices. It is as part of realizing the goal 9 of United Nations Sustainable Developmental Goals. Here goal 9 is talking about build resilient infrastructure, promote sustainable industrialization and foster innovation. As part of this goal, by PM MITRA Park scheme, this particular goal also can be realized. Here, it will reduce the logistics cost and improve competitiveness of Indian textiles in the world market. Infrastructure wise also, it will develop in a particular place. Directly, it creates a lot of infrastructure. Indirectly, and on the side by particular location, additional infrastructure also will come. It will create employment. It is estimated that 1 lakh direct employment are created and 2 lakh people will get employment indirectly. And it is also, once infrastructure develops, foreign direct investment is also possible to come and invest in that particular location. These parks are envisaged to be located at sites which have inherent strength for textile industry to flourish and have necessary linkages to succeed. Wherever already for manufacturing cotton or manufacturing textile, wherever already certain inherent strengths are there, these parks can be planned, and these plans will boost employment, FDI and infrastructure facilities for that particular region. As part of this scheme, seven parks are envisaged. These parks will be set up at greenfield or brownfield sites located in different willing states. Here, this is central government proposal. As part of budget, it was introduced. Now states will compete which state to get this particular mega infrastructure project. So different states now will compete to get this project. Total 7 parks are allocated in the budget. So 7 states will be given in this particular scheme, and either they can be developed as greenfield also, or they can be developed as brownfield as well. Greenfield means from scratch plan, the project will be planned and infrastructure will be developed, and all the developments which are required for manufacturing textile are done in that particular place. If it is a brownfield site, already some infrastructure will be there. Additionally, this scheme will provide funds to further enhance the infrastructure facilities and also to create more technological innovations in that particular region. This is about brownfield and greenfield. This will be developed by a special purpose vehicle which will be owned by state government and government of India in a public-private partnership model. Central government also involves, state governments also involves, and in public-private partnership model, this special purpose vehicle will be created, and this will take care of development of a particular park. Now here, suppose a park is to be developed means what are the various requirements or inputs are required. For example, land is required. Here, state government or central government can give the land allocation to the particular park. And another one, financial support also will be given. As part of this project, Union budget has allocated 4,000 plus crores of rupees to develop 7 mega integrated textile parks. That means each and every, here for greenfield around 500 crores and brownfield around 200 crores are estimated of financial support. Land will be given, and also additionally, if good products are developed, some other schemes also can be, additional support will be given by the central government and state governments. So this is how this particular scheme will run. Once this particular infrastructure develops, here modern technologies will be there, and also from starting point to ending point, textile manufacturing process will be done. It will reduce the cost also, transportation logistic charges also. It will make the Indian textile products competitive in world class market, and from there it can be exported to different countries, and we will become more exporting based country. And also it will reduce the imports also, and it make India Atmanirbhar, self-reliant and self-sufficient in case of this particular industry. So these are the various issues related to PM MITRA Park scheme. You can think of various dimensions like first investment, then employment, then foreign direct investment, and other direct and indirect benefits if this particular scheme is executed successfully. These are various issues involved in PM MITRA Park scheme. Thank you.